Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the next chapter, that is deep water. This chapter is written by William Douglas, who was an American jurist as well as politician. He got appointed to US Supreme Court at the age of 40 and served for more than 36 years. His tenure was longer than any other judge in the court's history. He always used to support individual rights and preserving natural environment. And this chapter deals with the fear. What actually fear is? Fear is something that we cannot see, but we can feel. That's why I will start with the theme. Any childhood fear must be taken seriously. If it is not taken seriously, it can leave a big impact on our mind that can last for long duration and trouble our whole life. Then, as I told, fear is a creation of our mind. If it is not worked upon at time, it may change our life. Most of our fears are baseless. There is no reality behind those fear. We just become frightened because of our apprehensions. Maybe like somebody may have a phobia of darkness. Here, the author had that phobia of deep water, and that's why this title has been given. Sometimes somebody may have fear of fire. Such kind of fears are there. Fear creates dangers where there is none. Maybe there is no danger at all, but still, when somebody is frightened, he may create dangers out of nothing. With efforts and determination, one can overcome any fear. This is also a very important point. We have seen that people have fear, they go on living with that fear, and sometimes they die because of that fear, or maybe they never work upon it. But definitely, this story tells us that if worked upon on time in a planned manner, each and every fear can be overcome by us. This is also a very good thing. Where there is a will, there is a way. I would like to continue the theme. Unpleasant memories of childhood haunt even the adult mind. The things that we encounter in our childhood, they go on haunting us even when we grow up. That's why it has been told in the beginning itself that we must work upon these things at time. One is unable to come out of clutches of fear till consistent and planned efforts are made to get over the fear. This I have already told, means one has to be very vigilant enough and hardworking so that the fear can be overcome with. One must learn from one's mistakes and experiences, whatever may be there. Learning is a continuous process and one it must continue. And taking even the wrong things in a positive manner to learn something is the right way of learning. One should now be terrified by unfavorable circumstances, rather taken as a guiding step forward. Any hindrances that we face, any problems that we face, they must be taken in a positive direction and we must work to make our future better. Those mistakes must not be committed in future. Title I will come to. Author recounts his fear of water following a childhood incident when he was just 3 to 4 years. It further aggravated, increased when a boy pushes him to the deep side of the swimming pool where he nearly drowned. Slowly, he overcomes his fear through determination and strong will. He took help of an instructor. He swam in deep water at different places, glacier, lake. This all shows that his fear was deep rooted in him. He got that fear from deep water. He worked in deep water to overcome the fear of deep water. And also, the fear was deeply rooted in him. That's why he had to work upon it. Here, author tells about his childhood fear. He finally overcomes it with strong willpower, courage, hard work, and determination. Once he took the decision and gathered his courage, the fear vanished. He could not find the fear anywhere. It is the first person account that gives a feeling that everything is being reconstructed in front of readers. We can get those things happening just right in front of us when we read the chapter. First of all, author's aversion to water. It started when he was just 3 to 4 years at California Beach, where he went with his father. Waves knocked him down and swept over him. His father was laughing at that moment, but it left a long-lasting impact on him, and that was a terror in author's mind. And he could experience the force of waves that overpowered him, that was all over him at that moment. He wanted to overcome this fear, and that's why he went to YMCA swimming pool to overcome this fear. We will stop here for now and we will continue tomorrow. Okay, then.